Hi there, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bella from Zintilon. Today we are talking about CNC milling. Let's get started. What is CNC milling? CNC milling is a subtractive manufacturing process that uses a rotating cutting tool to remove material from a part. The part can either be stationary or, in some cases, rotating. CNC milling can machine parts with various shapes versatilely, including flat surfaces, grooves, and curved surfaces. What axis does a CNC milling machine have? The horizontal axis controls the left to right movement of the cutting tool along the length of the material. The depth axis controls the forward and backward movement of the cutting tool along the width of the material. The vertical axis controls the up and down movements of the cutting tool, which helps adjust the depth when cutting into the material. The rotatory axis controls the rotation of the cutting tool around the x-axis. The rotary axis controls the rotation of the cutting tool around the z-axis. In some 5-axis CNC machines, one or two of the A, B, or C axis may be fixed, while another is used to rotate the part. Types of CNC milling operations. CNC milling involves a number of different cutting operations, varying with cutting purpose. Here are some common milling operations. Face milling. The cutting tool's rotation axis is perpendicular to the part surface, resulting in a smooth finish. Slot milling uses a spinning cylindrical tool with lots of cutting edges to make a narrow, long cut or groove on a part. Angle milling. The cutting edge of the tool is at an angle to the part surface, used for creating beveled or tapered surfaces. Thread milling creates internal and external threads on the part through the rotating motion of the cutting tool. Materials for CNC milling. Choosing the right material for your part is very important as it affects performance and the machining process. Here are typical materials suitable for CNC milling: metal alloys, plastics, composite materials, and wood. We often work with metals like aluminum, stainless steel, and titanium. Aluminum is a favorite for its lightweight and serious corrosion resistance. Stainless steel, on the other hand, is the powerhouse with high strength, corrosion resistance, and durability. And titanium, it is lightweight and durable. These awesome qualities make them perfect for a wide range of machining needs. Applications of CNC milling. CNC milling is one of the most common precision machining techniques and is widely used across various industries, including aerospace, aircraft parts, structural components, engine parts, and other specialized parts with strict tolerances and quality standards. Automotive, engine parts, chassis components, transmission systems, electronics, electronic casings, heat sinks, etc. Renewable energy, generator parts, turbines, solar panel components, etc. Medical, surgical instruments and implants, prosthetics, dental tools, etc. Agriculture, parts for large agriculture machinery, irrigation systems, and specialized tools. Zintilon's CNC milling services. If you are considering whether CNC milling is right for your project, you may need some help from professionals to turn your ideas into reality. At Zintilon, there are experienced engineers, skilled operators, and a strict quality management system. We own state-of-the-art Hermo 5-axis CNC milling machines and will machine your part according to your drawings, following the ISO 2768 international tolerance standards. We can typically achieve a machining accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 to 0.005 millimeters, and a surface roughness of R8.4. That's all for today's sharing. Please feel free to contact us if you have any CNC machining needs. Thank you.